What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the new 4 liquid lipsticks Jeffree Star just released. He took 4 of his ammunition formulas and made them into a liquid form and made them permanent. So I'm going to swatch them for you today and show you a comparison next to their ammunition sister. Also in today's video is a giveaway, as I'm giving away the chocolate covered strawberry lip scrub from the Blood Sugar collection. So that's the giveaway for this video. Stay tuned to the end to see how to win that. I'm going to compare these next to their Bullet Formula sisters and swatch everything so you can see how they look when they apply and how they dry down. Also, ignore these scratches. These are from my cat who got scared while I was sleeping and decided to run across me. I'm sorry, there's nothing I could do about it. Don't hate me. Okay, let's get into these swatches and comparisons and see how they dry down and what shades they are. So first, we're going to take Skin Tight. And then this is Skin Tight in the bullet form. As you can see, I use it quite often. I actually use this to lighten up the center of my lip. Let's let this one dry down and we'll get back to it. Up next, we have Birthday Suit. And this is Birthday Suit in the ammunition. Up next, we have Allegedly. And Allegedly in the bullet form came in the Christmas collection. And last one we have is Thick as Thieves. I'm going to go down here now. And in the bullet form, Thick as Thieves. Okay, so as you can see, they have dried down now. Thick as Thieves has still got a tad bit more to go, but I wanted you to see this is Skin Tight, and they are exactly the same. So they really are spot on, these two. Okay, so I would say with Birthday Suit, this is the liquid lip and this is the bullet. This is not the same, I don't think. In my opinion, this one's a little more peachy, whereas this is a little more rosy. And then here we have Allegedly. This is the liquid lip. This is the bullet, and I would say they are spot on also. Although I will say I prefer this shade in the liquid lip opposed to the bullet. It's a little bit more patchy, and it was a little hard to apply, not just in the swatch, but when I used it. And then we have Thick as Thieves, where I will say Thick as Thieves, first of all, they're both exactly the same. But Thick as Thieves in the lip ammo is one of my favorites that he's ever done. And then the bullet I actually prefer the most. It's a little bit creamy, but it's still matte, so I'd say it's more like a satin matte. And this formula is definitely different than the other two. If you could see, this one can move and it's a little more creamy, whereas this sucker ain't going anywhere. There's definitely a difference between the two bullets. So keep that in mind if you're interested in these. I do love his formula for both liquid and the bullet, but I wanted you to see the comparisons and what they look like swatched. Also, now that these have come out and before he releases another damn product, I am going to be duping Jeffree's entire collection. Every lipstick, every highlighter, every bullet, every lip ammunition, everything, even down to his highlighter palettes. So keep your eyes open for that. It might not be for a little while. It's, I'd say, 80% done. So it will be coming soon. I just need my daughter over here to swatch because I need some space. It's a lot of products. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful to you to decide if you wanted any of these, which ones to get. Stay tuned to the end to see who won the giveaway in my last video, and make sure you enter this one by putting hashtag Jeffree Star in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!